This is how we can define maritime education and training. Basically, we need to maintain a global standard for maritime education and training, and it is focused basically on the maritime industries. And there are other two keywords here. One is the knowledge and competence. The scope of maritime education is basically for the seagoing professionals. There are navigating officers, there are marine engineers, and there are ratings. And there are huge opportunities for the non-seagoing personnel, port authorities, and the person can work in the maritime administration, shipbuilding industries, shipyards, repair dockyards, and so on. If we think about the early beginnings of the maritime education and training, it was basically on-the-job training, and performance depended on the experience. Gradual transition to shore-based schooling started in the 17th century to 19th century. And nowadays we talk about the certificate of competency, and that started in the 1851 in the UK. Now 21st century merchant seafaring is radically different from the 17th century version. Now it is less physical and more of a intellectual things. And the range of knowledge, skills and attitudes are very wide, requires significant education and training for the seafarers. And nowadays we can find at least 500 maritime education and training institutions and of various types. It can start from a PC training and it can go beyond, doctoral degrees. Seafaring profession, it's a very different from other professions, and it's very different lifestyle. In seafaring, we can see that it implies both home and a workplace. A ship is a workplace for a seafarer, and it is also the home for him. And now a modern ship is highly technical workplace. Over 50,000 seafarers from Bangladesh were serving on various seagoing vessels. But with the advancement of technology, the number reduced drastically. Bangladesh Marine Academy, established in 1962, earned good reputation to the shipping companies for producing quality merchant marine officers. The quality assurance is fundamental to the concept of marketing, and it tells the ultimate users whether the product is good or bad. So basically what I mean to say is that it depends on how good training we are providing to our cadets. If appropriate training is given, Bangladeshi seafarers could easily outperform many in the region, and it is necessary to ensure that global standards are in place to train and certify seafarers to operate technologically advanced ships in a safe, secure and environment-friendly manner.
Thank you very much. We are highly knowledgeable with the statistics that you have provided about the seafarers and their employment opportunities, and also the skill of Bangladeshi seafarers. It is very encouraging to know that the Bangladeshi seafarers have a world reputation and they are highly demanded in the global seafaring market. So this is what are very encouraging points for us. Now I would like to make a question out of your presentation that you have presented here. You mentioned about 21st century merchant seafaring standard is different than that of the 17th century merchant seafaring. It is obviously true because the world is changing and there are so many technological effects are coming into the seafarers' daily operational life. What is the preparation of Bangladesh to address the 21st century seafaring in the world market? How the training curriculum is going to be designed and how the seafarers are to be trained to develop themselves to be prepared to be employed in the global market in the future. Thank you.
Definitely, we are also taking preparation, but I would say our preparation is, the pace of our preparation is not as, as the global standard. There are ships coming with the LNG, and we have approved few training institutions for IGF code, and training is going on. But you know that nowadays even the ships will be operated remotely. So we are really far away from that. But otherwise, the majority of the ships that are coming now, they are coming with dual fuel engines, and some of the ships are coming with the LNGs. we are prepared to that, and few of our academies, they have been given approval to operate these ships. So, so our actually approach is that we should update our institutes for the future, but definitely we have serious laggings. Thank you.